Welcome to Easy Peasy English, your safe place to practice English slowly, clearly, and confidently. In today's long and powerful episode titled How to Focus on Yourself, Easy English Conversation for Beginners, we are going to learn not only English, but also a life skill. We will learn how to talk about focusing on yourself using simple English conversations. This episode is perfect for beginners who want to improve speaking fluency while also building a stronger mindset. So relax, breathe slowly, and get ready to practice English step by step in a natural and comfortable way. First, let's understand what focus on yourself means. Focusing on yourself does not mean being selfish. It means paying attention to your goals, your health, your growth, and your happiness. Many people spend too much time comparing themselves to others. They look at social media and think, why is she more successful? Or why is he better than me? When you compare yourself too much, you lose confidence. Today, we will practice simple English sentences that help you talk about personal growth and self-focus. Let's begin with basic sentences. You can say, I want to improve myself. This is a simple but powerful sentence. Repeat it slowly. I want to improve myself. Another useful sentence is, I am working on my goals. You can also say, I am focusing on my future. These sentences are easy to remember and very useful in daily conversations. Now let's build a small conversation example. Imagine your friend asks, why are you so busy these days? You can answer, I am focusing on myself. I am trying to build better habits. This response is clear and confident. If your friend asks, what kind of habits? You can say, I wake up earlier, I exercise 3 times a week, I study English every day. Notice how we connect personal development with daily routines. This makes your English practical and meaningful. Now let's talk about strategy. If you want to improve your English and focus on yourself at the same time, create a daily self-focus routine in English. Every morning, say 3 sentences about your goals. For example, today, I will study English for 20 minutes. I will eat healthy food. I will stay positive. Speaking these sentences out loud trains both your mindset and your English fluency. Many beginners struggle because they think their English is not good enough. They say, my vocabulary is small, or my grammar is bad. But here's the truth. Simple English is powerful. You do not need difficult words to express strong ideas. For example, instead of saying, I am prioritizing personal development, you can say, I am trying to become better every day. The second sentence is simpler, but very natural. Let me tell you a short story. There was a young man named Dito. He always compared himself to his friends. He felt behind in life. He also wanted to improve his English, but he felt shy. One day, he decided to focus on small daily improvements. Every day, he studied English for 15 minutes. Every day, he exercised for 20 minutes. Every night, he wrote 3 simple English sentences about his progress. After 3 months, his English improved, his confidence improved, his mindset changed. What was the secret? Consistency and self-focus. Now let's practice more useful phrases. If someone asks you about your plans, you can say, right now, I am focusing on my personal growth. If someone invites you out and you are busy, you can say, I can't join today. I need some time to focus on my goals. These are polite and confident responses. Another important tip is to reduce negative self-talk. Instead of thinking, I can't speak English well, change it to, I am still learning. Instead of saying, I am not good enough, say, I am improving step by step. Words are powerful. The way you speak to yourself affects your confidence. Now let's practice a longer conversation example. Imagine two friends talking. Friend A, you don't go out as much as before. Why? Friend B, I decided to focus on myself. Friend A, what do you mean? Friend B, I want to improve my health and my skills. I spend more time reading and studying. Friend A, that's great. I should do the same. Friend B, you can start small. Just do a little every day. This conversation is simple but very useful. Practice reading it out loud, then change the sentences to match your real life. Here is another strategy: reflection practice. At night, ask yourself in English, what did I do today to improve myself? Answer with simple sentences. I practiced English, I finished my work, I exercised. This daily reflection strengthens both your discipline and your speaking ability. Remember, focusing on yourself also means protecting your energy. If someone is negative, you can say, I prefer to stay positive. If someone criticizes you, you can say, I respect your opinion, but I am working on my own path. These sentences show maturity and confidence. Now let's talk about motivation. Improvement is slow. Sometimes you will feel tired. Sometimes you will feel stuck. That is normal. Growth is not a straight line, but every small effort counts. If you practice English for 20 minutes every day, in 1 year you will have practiced more than 120 hours. That is powerful. Also, celebrate small progress. If today you speak 1 full minute in English without stopping, celebrate it. If you learn 5 new phrases, celebrate it. Confidence grows when you recognize improvement. Let's review some key expressions. I am focusing on myself. I am building better habits. I want to improve step by step. I am working on my goals. I am proud of my progress. I am learning from my mistakes. Practice saying them slowly. Then say them faster. Then try to create your own sentences. Before we finish, remember this. You are not competing with anyone. You are only competing with the old version of yourself. Every day is a new chance to grow. Every sentence you speak in English is progress. Thank you for spending this long practice session with Easy Peasy English. Keep focusing on yourself, keep improving your English, keep building confidence one small step at a time. And remember, you don't need to be perfect, you just need to keep going. See you in the next episode, and until then, keep practicing, keep believing, and keep moving forward. The Easy Peasy way.